Hi, it's Kathy from Fieldwork Connections. Today I'm at Barrenjoey headland on Sydney's northern beaches, and I want to actually rock hop around the rocks to have a look at the geology. The rocks on the top of Barrenjoey are Hawkesbury Sandstone, so you can see them just up here outcropping behind me. They are about 220 million year old, and most of the Sydney Basin is Hawkesbury Sandstone, Triassic in age. But when we get a bit further down to the water's edge, I believe that what we will be encountering is Newport formation. So I might see if there's a bit of a difference to distinguish between looking at the Hawkesbury Sandstone and then Newport. So here we have a big boulder that's come down from the top, just up here, and we can see it's a lovely medium grained Hawkesbury Sandstone. You can even see some of the bedding planes in it. There's a seal! This is pretty incredible that the seal's just in here behind me. It's just floating around with its flipper up in the air. It was making some noise before. Oh. I'm not going to get any closer. I don't really want to encounter one on the land either. Well, I found what looks like to be an outcrop of the Newport Formation, which is part of the Narrabeen group, just underneath the Hawkesbury Sandstone. It's got a much finer grain, kind of more reddish in colour as well. You can still see the sedimentary bedding. So I thought it would be a lot more cliffs around here, going down to the ocean and the rock platform down below, but it's actually more of a goat track that just goes around the headland. There's a few kind of sketchy areas, so I wouldn't really recommend taking small children around here. But it's really nice to see the geology and the bushland through here. And there's some great views. I'm just heading up this little bit of rock. Let's see. There we go. Lion Island behind me. There's a beautiful shale lens just weathering out of the side of the hill here. So shale being a very fine-grained sedimentary rock. And these shale lenses can be found throughout the Hawkesbury Sandstone sequence, as well as in the Narrabeen group as well. Very narrow track along here. Oceanside. I made it around to the eastern side of the headland, but I didn't end up rock hopping all the way. I came over the sand dunes. I came back the way that I'd come. And it's just quite nice to see the contrast of the headland on this side. It's not all bushland, it's just these big sandstone boulders that have been breaking off and eroding into the ocean here.